Hey, family, friends, and fellow gamers. Welcome to Grumpy Gnome Gaming. I am Grumpy Gnome. Let's get into some Fallout Shelter. This is our daily run. I did not do a run last night, so we're taking over right where we left off in the last episode. Okay, that's not getting any better. And looks like we've got some maxed out people to deal with here. That is a good thing because we may be, I don't know if we're going to destroy any rooms. Come on, let's get them. I think we're going to go ahead. We probably, okay, all those people have already been checked. All right. Oh, no, don't do that. Go down. What do we got? Dragon's Maw? Sure thing. We'll take a Dragon's Maw any day. And here comes some Raiders. Good old Three Dog and Elder are more likely than not just going to vaporize these guys. You know, we can actually go a little higher, I think, right there. Okay, as soon as they break in, come on, break in. Boom, here they come. These guys come to the back. And oof. Ooh. Ooh, Ooh. That almost seemed to have taken a while. And I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, what do we find? Regular leather armor? Yes, sell it. And let's go ahead and get back out of here. Okay, let's go down to the bottom. What do we got? We got one level up. And then down here we got a whole bunch of level ups. Got another maxed. Alright, well, let's start down here. What do you need? You are fully equipped, so you come on up. I'm going to throw you out in the wasteland for a while. Going to give you 25 of these. Give you 5 of those. Let's give you something a little more substantial. Take vengeance. No, you take revenge. That seems to be the standard issue for the guys now. We're going to luck you with sturdy merc gear and go out and get them. Go get them. Cha-ching. Okay. One guy gone. Let's go to the other eye room. Get these guys out. What do you need? You are full. Come with me. You're already in a Piper's, so we'll give you 25 of those. We'll give you 5 of these. Probably should have kicked them up to 10. Let's give you something ladylike. Not too many ladylike items here. So I'm almost thinking vengeance. Or the rusty Gatling gun. Pamela, I'm going to give you vengeance. Go out and get them. Alright, who else is in the eye room? You. You're maxed. Henry Harper. What are we going to give you? How about 25 of those? 5 of these. And you've got yourself a handy dandy gun. You got your burnt gear. Go out and get them. Who you? Come down. You need some I and you need some L. Why don't we work on your L first? Come with me. And that's down here. Wait, is the L room empty? No, we got one person in there. Cha-ching. Okay, who you? Wow, you need everything. Alright, let's take you down to the C room. It looks like we got some vacancy down here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, nobody's running out. Who you? You need some C action. See if you can fit. Sure looks like it. Who you? You need some sea action. I don't know if there's any more room down here. We might have to go to the lower sea room. Ah, we got room for one more. So, you, come on down. You are the next contestant on Who Wants Some Sea Action. So we can either take this guy to the... I'm thinking just take him to the L room. Let's do that. Take you to the L room. And what do we got at the bottom? Nobody. Cool. You know what? We got 3 in that room. And was that the E room? That was the A room, I think. SPECI. So we don't have an A room. Is this room empty? The S room is empty. So I am thinking we're going to do it. We're going to do it. And yep. We did it. Now let's start down here. I wonder, why didn't we go all the way to the bottom with these? Now I'm confused. Why didn't we go all the way to the bottom with those? The only reason I can think of is we wanted to get some more of the Nuka-Cola and the what do you call those things? Reactors down there. I don't know, man. That's some food for thought. Anyway, you know what we're... oh, wow. We got maxed out people here. Nuts on a biscuit. What do you got? You need to go to the I, A, or L. I think I'm going to take you into the L room. Good. Nobody's running out. Just out of curiosity, how much more room do we have in there? Well, we got room for one more. Who you? You are the person. Cha-ching. Who are you? I think I'm going to take you to the A room. Right up here. Pa-ching. Alright. That worked out well. If this guy were level, we can destroy that room. Now, why are we revisiting this? And why did I choose to build here? I guess because we can always build these up. So let's go ahead and build another strength room, even though we don't need it. A strength room. Weight room. Cha-ching. Let's build it. And we're actually going to put it right, make sure we get it in the right spot. Right here. SPEC. So this is going to be the S room. And I don't understand why the light didn't come on. Let's build more strength room. Build. We're going to put that right there. And then we're going to... okay, we did it. Then we're going to build another strength room. We're going to put it right there. And now we're going to upgrade once, upgrade twice, and that should be fully upgraded. We did it. We built a new strength room. We'll eventually get that in order. Let's check it out now. Honeymoon Horror. That sounds like a fun one. I don't know if this is our. I wonder if we'll rescue the newlyweds. Okay. Wouldn't that be cool if we actually got two people coming to our. Whoa, we're going down. Wouldn't that be neat if we got two people? Okay, we're the rescue party, but we're not going any deeper with all the rad scorpion. Okay, we got red scorpions. After all, the food and the wedding was awful. Why risk our lives? We sent the cat ahead to find them and bring them back. Now, why are you here again? To do your job. So hand over those stim packs to do your. Now give us your rat away. To do your job, we'll be taking one of your laser rifles to do your job, but we'll keep quiet about your cowardice. Okay, I gotta check this. Sorry, guys. And biology teacher. Interesting. You know what? I really don't need anything that they've got, but we'll go with this one. And let's move on. Okay, so fine by us. Here you go. So we got us a piece of junk weapon. Oh, that sucked. All right, here we go. Let's just see how fast we can get through this thing. Anything? Nope. Good. Let's go. Oh, there is something. Boom. Caps. I probably should have taken their caps because we just built the weight room. Where are they going? Man, they're just spreading out all over the place. Okay. That's pretty quick. I'm kind of happy with how fast that went. He's sticking around. We'll take whatever's back there. And you know what? Keep going. No shiny? Nope. And they're already breaking through. They are scorpions. Okay, now here's where we got to keep an eye on our people because this is where we're going to get worked. So far, so good. Yeah, that wasn't bad. We didn't take too much damage out of that. We'll take that. We'll take that. And now let's keep going. We're going to hit a rock here. So go on down. Then we're going to come into this little group here, and we're going to have roaches. Oh, why did I do that? Oh, wow, that was quick. I couldn't even get the frame centered. What do we got here? Scorpions, and we got a glowy one. All right. Okay, they're going to make quick work of them, which is impressive. This guy is not taking any damage at all, which is totally impressive. Oh man, they didn't even let me get a shot in. Who are you? Roy the player. Yeah, I think Roy the player is going to be one of our vault heroes. Okay, we'll take whatever that is. Then we'll keep moving. Elevator. Let's go on down. Come over here. What do we got? People. We're saved. Thank you. And they're already in their negligees. It's like, okay. Nice cat kept us safe when those creatures attacked, but otherwise, it just slept. Please, don't take us back to the settlement. It's horrible there. The wedding gifts we got so cheap. Can't imagine going back. Would you please just shut up and go home already? You've caused enough trouble. Actually, there's room. Oh, here we go. Ah, nuts. So we get Patricia or we get Grant. Sure, settlement. I'll just tell your settlement the rat scorpions got you. You know what? No, man. Oh man. I wonder if we do this, if they both come with us. I'm going to try this one. Gosh darn it. Sure, I'll just tell your settlements the red scorpions got you. Thanks. But can you also take this formal wear back? It's a rental. Ah, nuts. Well, I was hoping to get both of them. But that ain't gonna happen. Shoot. Oh well. Next time we're in a situation like that, we'll know it. Ah, wow. We'll know what to do. Okay, we got some caps. We're gonna take that. Let's go over to here. Double room. Naked rats. Come on, guys. Go get them. And they're dead. This is a pretty impressive team right here. And I don't see any shiny in there. Let's go to the elevator. I think we're gonna go up and clear these couple things right here. Then we'll go down. So let's go in here. Whoops, let's go in here. And there's nothing. Okay, we'll take nothing. Go here. And then we'll go up to here. And then we'll cut across to here. And there's something. Roaches! And that's that. All right, man. Let's continue this thing. Let's go down further. No shiny there. Did we miss any shiny back here? Doesn't look like. Dang, we should have taken one of them back. I probably would have taken Patricia. Because if this is all about survival, 1, 2, 3, then it's about baby making. I need an aspirin. Yeah, that's what baby making does to you. Anyway, here we go. Do. And more roaches. Yeah, let's see if they're just going to vaporize these guys. Yeah, we could have taken that last shot. But why? I think I see something back there. There we go. Move on. Moving on now. Moving on now. What do we got here? Scorpions. And we'll take that shot. 1, 2. Boom. I really think I like these weapons that these guys have. They are doing really well with them. If my parents could see me now. Hey, we're at the bottom. That's it, man. Any shiny we missed? It doesn't look like it. Let's get on out of here. Want to revisit those 2 honeymooners, you know. It's like, we got a Scottish fold. Return to the vault. Didn't really get anything interesting in this playthrough. I don't see any reason to bring them back right now. So I'm just going to let them run. Close it. And since our alarm didn't go off, let's do one more. We got a science co-op, Halloween nonfiction. Let's do this one. It seems to be themed. We'll go through our Halloween themes. Nonfiction. Learn more about Vault 31 at the Ruined Library. Cool. Let's go. Come on, girls. Get on in there. Why do you have... I guess we didn't have an extra. Okay, don't worry. You've got me and I'm awesome. Okay, we've heard that before. Let's go. Look, there is our 20. It does not look like we're going down. So let's just keep going across. Well, that was impressive. They took these mole rats down rather quickly. There's their return ticket. Nice. Yes, thinking the same thing. But let's see if we can at least get some. Let's see if we can get some, what do you call it? Oh, come on, guys, get in there. Some rare stuff or legendaries. Can't even think straight right now. Just one mole rat? This feels like the right way. Okay. Ooh, we got us a ghost. Happy Halloween. I'm Howard Phillips, the caretaker of this old library. Okay. Thank you for taking care of our pest problem. How can I help you in return? Do you know anything about Vault 31? No, but ask her best at the old candy factory. And here, take my costume. Okay. Come on, no turning back now. You know what? I didn't really want his costume because, as we have discovered, the ghost costume is a piece of garbage. Oh, she's got a dragon's maw. Maybe that's why they're going through these things so quickly. Got it. Got it. And up, let's get in there. Okay, optimism. Must maintain my optimism. Yeah, sometimes I think I need that too. And what do we got? Naked rats. Vaporize them. Wow, that. Okay, take that. Looks like we got that. Looks like we got that. And that's it for that room. Moving on. I would almost say we got time to do that third one. Because really, we're just getting a bunch of garbage here. Wow, that was sweet. All right, and we're done. Last look for shiny. Ah, nuts. I'm still upset that we didn't take Patricia back with us. Nuts on a biscuit. And yep, they're coming back now. Confirm. Man, this was an awesome team. Okay, sell commons. Okay, collect. Nope, they're just going to come back at their leisure, which is cool. So let's go ahead and close this out. Let's see if we can throw together one more team, two more teams. So we got that one there. This one's coming back. And the mystery go west. Limited time, limited time. See this? Oh, this is a one dweller. And this doesn't look like it's going to get us anything cool. No, these are obviously for beginning players, you know, the low level stuff. All right, we'll have fun with it. Let's do this one. And who can we send out? How about the girls who just came back? So let's do this one. We got Catherine. You know, Gloria. That's cool. And you got Dragon's Maw. We have another Piper. Got Lisa Pratt. And Joyce has a cat. Can we give you a Dragon's Maw? Check it out. What's your cat do? Wasteland Return. That's exactly what we need. And finally, who's our final contestant on Who Wants to Go Out in the Waste? Catherine, we can give you a dragon's maw. What's your cat do? Healing speed. That'll work. Can we get you a Piper's? Oh my god, we just put together an angel team. How cool is this? 25 of those, 25 of those, and get going. There we go. 3 teams are out. I don't think it's going to let us build anymore. I mean, oh, wow, I didn't see this one. We got a junk run. And we've already reached our... I wish there was a way we can increase that. But you know what? I'm pretty happy with where that's standing. Hey, you coming home? Rad scorpions. Oh, cool. And we'll be able to vaporize them rather quickly. I don't understand why I'm not seeing anybody's health lines. That was freaky. We didn't see anybody's health line on that one. So, I guess that's it. Happy and Crappy are coming. Even though we could use it here, I'm not going to worry about it. So guys, if you like this adventure, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a sympathy thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. If you do subscribe, please tell 10 people. If you don't know 10 people, tell 5 people twice. And then ask them to tell 10 people each. I am Grumpy Gnome. I'm out of here in 5, 4, 3. All right, birds. 2, 1. Take care. Bye-bye.